Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a DIY aloe vera and avocado deep conditioner for massive hair growth, shine, and less dryness. The first ingredients I will be using is fresh aloe vera. Aloe vera is literally magic and a natural healer for many things. It is cooling and soothing when applied to the skin as well as the scalp and can aid in digestion issues. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All three of these vitamins promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are included as well. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. Before using aloe vera topically, do a patch test on a small area on your skin and wait an hour or so to see if you have any sensitivity. The next ingredient I'll be adding is an avocado, and the reason why I have two is it all depends on how much and how long your hair is. I'll be doing this treatment on my daughter's hair and she has a massive amount of hair. Avocado is a great source of biotin, and adding this B complex vitamin back into your diet may help your hair to grow more healthily. A study found that minerals in avocado, including potassium and magnesium, may seal cuticle cells, which can help your hair look smoother and shiny and prevent it from breaking. Bananas have potassium, which softens hair and helps in hair growth too. This delicious and healthy fruit also has natural oils that maintain the natural elasticity of the hair and prevent hair breakage. It also helps to smooth frizzy hair, repairs sun-damaged hair, protects hair against split ends, prevents dandruff, and makes hair more shinier and more manageable. So now I'm just going to take about a fourth of aloe vera juice and add it into the mixture just to get a nice creamy consistency. Aloe vera can be used as a pre-poo, as a scalp massage, part of your daily hair routine. It can be used to help cleanse your scalp. It helps with hair growth. It also helps to strengthen and repair your hair strands. After blending all the ingredients for about 2 to 3 minutes, have a nice consistency, which is exactly what you want. And might I add, the smell is amazing. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is high in antioxidants and it helps maintain scalp and hair health. It prevents the hair cell damage and nourishes and conditions the hair at the same time to improve its quality. The massage improves the circulation of blood in the scalp and nourishes the hair follicles as well. So before I get started in applying the deep conditioner, I want to show you the before of my daughter's hair. This mask is solely used for her, which has really aided in her hair growth. She has really long, thick hair, but as you can see here, it's really dry, matted. She has no definition, and she's been sick for a few days, so that's the reason why her hair is like this. But all of that is about to change, and you guys will see how much this conditioner loves her hair. So before I begin washing my daughter's hair, I like to pre-poo her hair, which is basically the process of applying a treatment to your hair before the shampooing process. It really helps to protect the layer of your hair, being that some shampoos can be stripping to our hair. I like to use aloe vera and olive oil, which really helps to soften her hair. If I were to try to shampoo her hair in this state, it would only make it clump up more and make the process so much more painful. So I begin to coat her hair and saturate it as much as I can, which helps her strands to soften, which makes it easier for me to begin the detangling process. Once her hair is saturated enough, I begin to finger detangle and start to try to pull the strands apart. I find that using tools causes so much more breakage. So you want to make sure to never detangle your hair when it's dry. It can cause so much breakage, so much pain. Make sure to always put some moisturizer on top of your hair. Wet it first, let it sit, and then that will help to soften up your hair strands and make it a little easier. So being that my daughter has really thick hair and is low porosity, it takes me quite some time to really saturate her hair. But once I get it under control, I'll then go and section her hair off into 4 parts, which makes it much easier to detangle. I'm going to begin detangling her hair with a paddle brush, and whenever detangling, I always focus on her ends and work my way up. I never start from her roots to the ends because that can really cause breakage from the scalp. And as I'm detangling her hair, I make sure to have a really tight grip on each section to make sure that I'm not pulling her hair from the roots as I'm detangling. Now I'm going to rinse her hair out and start shampooing. I'll be using the brand Bella Curls, which is a really good moisturizing and nourishing shampoo. It has no sulfates and it's non-stripping to her hair. And as you can see, I have her hair in 2 twists. I find that putting her hair in twists as I'm shampooing really prevents her hair from getting matted or knotted up again. So if you have really thick hair that gets matted easily, I suggest washing your hair in sections. It makes it so much easier and prevents your hair from getting tangled again. Now it's time to apply the conditioner. I actually stored it in the fridge for a few to give it a cool feeling when doing application. I like to take tiny sections and start from root to tip to ensure her hair is fully coated. This conditioner absorbs so nice into her hair. Most products just sit on top of her strands, but this smells like butter. Once I apply the conditioner to her whole entire scalp, I'm then going to give her a nice massage to really get it in there, work it through, and then I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes. I also want to mention that I did follow up and shampoo her hair one last time after using the conditioner, just to ensure all of the avocado and the aloe was out of her hair. So now I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner by Bella Curls, and this stuff has such a great amount of slip. Again, I work from her roots all the way down to the tips, working in small sections to ensure that every strand is properly coated. And then I like to just do the shingling method, which is taking each strand and defining it with my fingers, which really helps to make her curls pop. So I just wanted to show you guys the end results. This is her hair about 90% dry, and as you can see, this conditioner has made such a difference in her hair. Look at the shine, the curls. It's so soft, it's tangle free, and it just looks so healthy. And although my daughter would love to wear her hair out, which I let her from time to time, I feel it's beneficial to keep her hair in braided styles like these, protective styles, which allows her hair to stay together, prevents tangles. Her hair literally gets twisted and matted in a matter of minutes if it's out and she's playing. So this is easier for me, it's easier for her, and it looks really cute. Once her hair is styled like this, I like to apply Jamaican black castor oil to her scalp just to ensure that it's nice and coated and hydrated and moisturized throughout the week till her hair needs to be moisturized again. That's pretty much it. I like to do this for a few days and then I'll switch up the style, but her hair stays moisturized like this, it grows like this, and it's really, really easy for me to maintain. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you tried this deep conditioner. Please give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.